right next to us.
Freddie, Mia is sitting right next to us.
Before your mommy comes to pick you up, we have a special surprise. We wrote you a song.
Mia, help. Mia, help. Mia, help. Coming at you live, we're the Rocket Tots. Ready, fellas?
We love you, and all the helpful things you try to do. Just from our point of view, there ain't no mess we can't address for someone as cute as you. We love the way you try to help us feed a baby pup. We don't mind a little bit extra time spent cleaning up. Sure, you might spill piggy puffs all across the floor, but you brighten up our day, so Mia, help
Mia, help.
us out some more. We love you, and all the helpful things you try to do. 'Cause from our point of view, there ain't no glove that we can't scrub for someone as cute as you. We love you, and all the helpful things you try to do. 'Cause from our point of view, there ain't no mix-up we won't fix up. 'Cause we love you.
Mommy!
Hi, Mia. Thanks for taking such good care of her today.
Bye-bye.
Aw, bye-bye, Mia.
And remember, the Rocket Tots love you lots and lots.